Okay, real talk. My mattress has officially stopped doing its job these days. Nights are just restless, tossing, turning, and mornings are pure fatigue. I spend half my day feeling foggy, drained. Sleep should be peaceful, right? Not exhausting. Yup, it's definitely time for a new mattress. Look what just arrived, guys. My new Lux Pro mattress from the Sleep Company. This box might just be the beginning of peaceful sleep and better mornings. The packaging is so sleek and the fabric. Oh wow! So here's what makes this mattress special. It's India's first and only smart grid technology, and it gives that perfect balance, soft comfort and firm support. Basically exactly what your spine would want. It feels super soft and premium, already feels like it is an upgrade. The cover is made of feather touch cotton viscose. It's so soft, breathable, and hypoallergic. No dust mites, no allergies, just fresh, cozy vibes. And if you are unsure, there is a 100-night trial and 10 years warranty, guys. So you can sleep on it literally and just decide if you want to keep it or not.
Alright then, time for the ultimate test. Let's see how this mattress holds up after 3 weeks with me.
3 weeks later, I am sleeping more peacefully and actually waking up refreshed, no stiffness, no crankiness, just me feeling like myself again, productive again, doing lots and lots of work as I like my day. And oh, the best part, the Sleep Company actually blends Smart Grid with 100% natural latex. They call it Pro Blend technology. Basically, it combines that plush, cushy comfort of latex with the adaptive support of Smart Grid. In simple terms, a mattress that adapts to your body and relieves pressure points. And it's not just any latex, it's gold certified 100% natural latex. That means it's pure, breathable, and contours to my body naturally. Plus, it doesn't trap heat, so no more sweaty nights. It's medium soft plush, just the right amount of sink-in comfort with support underneath. Feels like floating or basically sleeping on air, and thanks to the 2500 plus air channels in the Smart Grid, airflow is insane. So yeah, I went from restless nights to feeling like my bed is finally working with me. If you are struggling with sleep, maybe it's time to upgrade too. For me, this mattress is the best thing you could do to finally get peaceful sleep every night. Visit your nearest The Sleep Company store and bring home the comfort of peaceful sleep.